Hey everyone, so today we are doing an 80s inspired type of feathered haircut. You could even say this is almost like a Luke Skywalker or 80s retro movie type of haircut. And the key to this and what I'm doing now is establishing my length, right? And the length or the base, the foundation of the haircut is what's really important. And once you have this is like your foundation, like a house, right? We're building it in phases, and it's really, really important to establish this because it's going to give you a really good outline on how to create the layers. So as you can see, I'm pulling everything straight out from the head, and I'm keeping it all balanced based off of the length itself of the haircut, meaning I'm not cutting the layers too short, I'm not keeping them too long. I'm really trying to pull out the hair and cut it to where it's going to give a really, really good balanced shape, as well as getting that flow. What I'm doing is and I always cut layers this way as I start at the top, the corners, and the sides. So here's the corners, right into here, and now we're going down into the sides. If you can cut hair this way, it's going to really, really help you. This was a older tidal wave I had laying around. Tidal wave is a perfect product for this. That it may be all you need depending on what you're trying to do. Here I'm going in and I'm point cutting on dry hair. So for this type of haircut, it's really best to go in when the hair is dry and just double check and cross check and move the hair around. And as you can see, we've got that nice, awesome kind of retro 80s feathered look. This is all about the haircut doing all of the work. What do you say to your stylist? What do you say to your barber? Well, I would highly recommend going to a hairstylist for something like this. And you can just say you're looking for a, feathered layered type of look, like a shorter haircut with feathered layers. You want the hair to, cover the ear. Show them a picture of this, a screenshot of this, especially all these layers in through out the bottom. But you really need to find someone who can understand how to create layers and shape in the hair. Don't go to someone who's just going to try to cut this with clippers or is going to do it in 15 minutes. You really need someone who understands how to really work the hair and layer the hair and knows movement. So again, this is the type of haircut where the cut does most of the work. Spray in some tidal wave, use the blow dry it with your hands, your fingers, get that flow going. And a lot of it is just going to fall right into place. This really is ideal for someone who's got straight hair, whether you have fine hair or a lot of it. This is really ideal for that. If you have wavy or curly hair, it's probably not going to be, the best kind of look because we're going for a feathered type of look. So if you're looking to purchase Tidal Wave or any of my products, use code YouTube20. That's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.